you call them dumb phones or feature phones, the best non-smartphones focus on providing only the most essential functions, just like the Nokia you had over 10 years ago. For some, a basic model provides an escape from smartphone addiction, a way to break free from social media or a bit of minimalist nostalgia. For older people, these phones can be essential pieces of familiar tech with large buttons, uncomplicated interfaces, and bright screens. A good dumb phone makes staying in contact much less intimidating while giving you quick access to the phone book, messages, and a simple camera. We have listed the 5 best dumb phones in 2025, and their key features you need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 5. Punked MP-Zo2. The Punked MP-Zo2 is not just another mobile phone. It's a bold statement about simplicity in an age dominated by constant connectivity and digital distractions. Designed with minimalism in mind, the MP-Zo2 prioritizes fundamental communication over the overwhelming features found in modern smartphones. The sleek, compact design is complemented by a user-friendly interface that allows for easy navigation without the clutter of unnecessary apps or notifications. Equipped with a 4G LTE connection, the MP-Zo2 ensures that you can still stay connected when necessary, while its emphasis on voice calls and text messaging reflects a return to the basics. The device features a tactile keypad that offers a satisfying experience reminiscent of classic mobile phones, making texting more enjoyable and less prone to the errors common on touchscreen devices. One of the standout features of the Punked MP-Zo2 is its commitment to privacy. With integrated encryption technologies, users can communicate securely, making it an excellent choice for those who value confidentiality in their conversations. The phone also includes an optional app called Punked OS, which enhances productivity by offering a simple calendar and note-taking functionality, further allowing users to manage their time effectively without the distractions of social media or endless notifications. Battery life is another highlight, with the MP-Zo2 designed to endure long periods away from a charger, catering to those who appreciate the freedom of an unplugged lifestyle. Number 4. UniHertz Jelly Star. The UniHertz Jelly Star is a compact smartphone that has taken the world by storm with its impressive combination of portability and functionality. With a size that fits comfortably into the palm of your hand, this diminutive device challenges the idea that bigger is always better in the smartphone market. Weighing in at just a few ounces, it's perfect for those who prefer a lightweight gadget that doesn't compromise on performance. Despite its small stature, the Jelly Star is packed with features that cater to the needs of modern users. It boasts a vibrant display that brings your content to life, making it suitable for browsing, messaging, and light gaming. Powered by a capable processor, the Jelly Star ensures smooth operation, allowing users to multitask with ease. Its efficient battery life means you won't constantly be searching for a charger, making it an ideal companion for on-the-go lifestyles. One of the standout features of the UniHertz Jelly Star is its dual SIM capability, which allows users to manage personal and work numbers seamlessly from a single device. This feature is particularly appealing for frequent travelers, or those who wish to keep their work and personal lives separate. Additionally, the Jelly Star runs on the Android operating system, giving users access to a wide array of apps and services through the Google Play Store. Whether you need productivity tools, social media apps, or entertainment options, the Jelly Star offers versatility in a pocket-sized package. Number 3. Lightphone the 3. The Lightphone the 3 represents a bold step into the realm of minimalist technology, designed for those who seek to disconnect from the overwhelming distractions of modern smartphones while still maintaining essential communication. This innovative device is a significant evolution from its predecessors, boasting a sleek design that prioritizes simplicity and functionality over the complex features typically associated with smartphones. One of the standout features of the Lightphone 3 is its focus on facilitating human connection without the noise of social media, endless notifications, or apps that often consume our attention. The device encourages users to engage in meaningful interactions, whether it's through calls or text messages, and promotes a more mindful approach to connectivity. Equipped with a crisp and user-friendly interface, the Lightphone 3 allows users to access core functionalities such as calls, texts, and navigation, all while maintaining a lightweight and unobtrusive presence in their daily lives. The battery life is impressive, enabling users to go days without needing to recharge, which aligns perfectly with the phone's ethos of simplicity and minimalism. Moreover, the Lightphone 3 is not just a phone. It's a tool for those looking to reduce their screen time and reclaim their attention. With customizable features, users can choose which functions they want to keep and which they want to eliminate, tailoring the device to their individual needs and lifestyle. In a world dominated by smartphones laden with apps and distractions, the Lightphone 3 stands out as a refreshing alternative. appealing to anyone looking to simplify their digital experience without sacrificing the ability to stay connected. Number 2. Light Phone 2. The Light Phone 2 is a bold reimagining of what a mobile phone can be in our hyper-connected world. Designed with simplicity in mind, it encourages users to disengage from the noise of modern technology while still allowing for essential communication. Unlike conventional smartphones that bombard users with notifications and endless apps, the Light Phone 2 offers a minimalist interface that focuses on what truly matters. Equipped with features that include calls, texts, an alarm clock, and a calendar, the Light Phone 2 strips away the distractions of social media, browsing, and gaming, allowing users to reclaim their time and attention. Its sleek monochromatic design is both aesthetically pleasing and functional, embodying the essence of minimalism. One of the standout features of the Light Phone 2 is its ability to work seamlessly with your existing smartphone via a dedicated app. This means you can still receive important notifications without being overwhelmed, as the Light Phone 2 can filter and manage what comes through. Additionally, the built-in GPS and navigation capabilities ensure that you're never lost, even when embracing a more simplistic lifestyle. The device is also designed to be durable and portable, making it an ideal companion for those who lead active lifestyles or who simply want a reliable phone for day-to-day tasks. With its emphasis on intentional use and digital well-being, the Light Phone 2 appeals to those seeking a more balanced relationship with technology in a world dominated by constant connectivity. Number 1. Wise Phone This 2. Wise Phone This 2 is a refreshing take on what a smartphone can and should be in today's increasingly digital world. Designed for those seeking a more mindful approach to technology, this device strips away the distractions commonly associated with modern smartphones while still offering essential features that keep users connected. With a sleek minimalist design, the Wise Phone 2 focuses on functionality without the overwhelming barrage of notifications and apps that often lead to screen fatigue. It offers basic calling and texting capabilities, ensuring that users can maintain communication without the temptation of social media or endless browsing. What sets the Wise Phone 2 apart is its commitment to promoting a balanced lifestyle. It encourages users to be more present in their daily lives by limiting access to non-essential applications and features. Instead of being a portal to a never-ending stream of information, the Wise Phone 2 fosters authentic interactions and helps users reclaim their time and attention. Additionally, the Wise Phone 2 boasts impressive battery life, allowing users to stay connected for longer without the need for constant recharging. Whether you're out for a hike, at the gym, or simply enjoying a day at the park, this phone is built to keep up with your active lifestyle while minimizing digital distractions. In essence, the Wise Phone 2 is not just a phone. It's a philosophy. It embodies a movement towards intentional living in a digital age, making it an appealing choice for anyone looking to simplify their tech interactions and focus on what truly matters.